How to redeem Love2shop gift card. So go to the search engine and type in love2shop.co.uk. Now you have to go to the first website that says activate and register Love2shop cards. Please keep in mind that this is a site from United Kingdom, and if you are using it from any other location, then it might not open up for you. I am currently using a VPN, so this is what the home screen looks like. So for you to activate your Love2shop gift card, you have to select the activate option right here. Now you'll be redirected to this page where if you already have an account, you just have to sign in. You just have to type in your email address, then your password. After you've completed that, it will ask you for your card details, and once you have filled it up, your card should be activated. But if you do not have an account, what you would want to do is come to this side and click on register and activate. Now again, you have to fill in some details for you to register yourself, and then they'll ask you to activate your card. So that is how you redeem Love2shop gift card. Hope I was able to help you out. Thank you for watching.